The faculty at our School of Church Music and Worship are thrilled to announce that we will be hosting our second annual Texas Baptist College Student Worship Camp this coming June 2024. Last summer's camp was one of the highlights of our worship leadership training program here on Seminary Hill.
And this year, our camp will begin on Tuesday, June 4th and run through Friday, June the 7th. During those days on our campus, students in grades 9 through 12 will learn and grow not only musically, but be challenged and encouraged spiritually by our team of incredible faculty and worship leaders. In addition to students developing their skills as rhythm section players and learning about worship technology, we're also adding a camp worship leading choir. And all of the music and technology training is rooted in a theology of worship that comes through the Word of God.
Space is limited again this summer, so be sure to register soon for the Texas Baptist College Student Worship Camp, June 4 through June 7. You can find out more information by checking out our Student Worship Camp website below.